Hi there, students. G, 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 g. Okay, this sound comes from the very back of your throat, from right here. It begins here and you close the back of your throat. G, g. Again, the tongue just under the bottom lip, the tip of the tongue. G. And you make pressure here on this back part of the tongue. Okay, g. You push the back of the tongue up, g, to seal, and you start pushing forward with the back of the mouth, and then you release, g, right from here, g, all the way up, okay, g. So let's try some words then. Gregory, giggle, go-go, aggregate, ogle, troglodyte, greengrocer, greengage, gig, gurgle, gargle, gargoyle, gag, gaga, gorgon, gregarious, big, dagger, rag, zig-zag, wag, pig, dog, bug, exist. Yes, exist. Gregory giggled gleefully and ogled at the gorgeous go-go girls. Gregory giggled gleefully and goggled at the gorgeous go-go girls. Greengages grown in Gloucestershire greenhouses go to existing greengrocers. Greengages grown in Gloucestershire greenhouses go to existing greengrocers. Gaga Goliath growled at the gagged gorgon and the gurgling troglodyte gargoyle. Gaga Goliath growled at the gagged gorgon and the gurgling troglodyte gargoyle. A gregarious dog wagged a dagger at a big bug on a pig. A gregarious dog wagged a dagger at a big bug on a pig. Agatha guided the jag onto the zig-zag line. Agatha guided the jag onto the zig-zag line. G, g. Gregory, giggle, go-go, aggregate, ogle, troglodyte, greengrocer, greengage, gig, gurgle, gargle, gargoyle, gag, gaga, gorgon, gregarious, big, dagger, rag, zig-zag, wag, pig, dog, bug, exist. So, g, g, g. If you enjoyed the video, I hope it helped you. Give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.